Hello friends, I'm Shreya. In today's video, I will show you how to make two pieces of very simple and beautiful earrings. Please watch the video until the end. I hope you like these two designs. For the first earring, we are using 4 pieces of 10 mm crystal and 4 pieces of 5 mm pearls. I alternated between 10 mm crystals and 5 mm pearls. Then I took 3 pieces of 5 mm pearls again took 3 pieces of 5 mm pearls and again took 3 pieces of 5 mm pearls again took 3 pieces of 5 mm pearls Then we will add jump ring and ear hook. The first design is complete. Now we make the second earring. First we take 6 pieces of 6 mm pearls Then we take 1 piece green color 6 mm pearls. Now we make a small flower. Then we use 1 piece brown color 6 mm pearls. The small beautiful flower we made a little while ago. I will add another flower in the same way. Then I will add a brown color 6 mm pearls. Next I am using a 5 mm pearls and a ear hook. Again a 5 mm pearl. Then I am taking 3 pieces of 6 pearls, 1 white pearl, 1 brown pearl and 1 white pearl. I hope you like these 2 earring designs. Please like, comment, subscribe to our jewelry channel DiyArtiePie.